Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Friday, August the 30th, 2024, the last Friday of the month. And we have already two regular puzzles solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, it's the killer Sudoku. And I've told you we have not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these three regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've told you there must be a ceasefire now in Gaza, because they want to vaccinate against polio. Yeah, polio vaccination for the children, and the children is suffering. Yeah, the occupation of the Israelis there, almost a year. I cannot believe this. Hunger, and a lot of that people in Gaza. It's, yeah, you cannot do this. It's against the human rights, and we cannot look away. Right now people are looking away. They cannot help the people from Gaza. Enough about the war. Let me continue with the killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 9182. And before I start, I see here two given numbers. Only two given numbers. Given number 5 in this triple box of 10. That means that those two boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We have a given number 3 in this triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Alright, what you need to know is, for a killer Sudoku, my average time for solving a killer Sudoku is 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yes, if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Alright. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Okay, this one and that one. This one has 1, 2, and this one has 1, 2. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is 45. Well, we have a column here with one sharing box. Okay. Same here, I believe. Yeah. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, the total sum of a column is 45, the total sum of a row is 45, and the total sum of a big square is always 45. Okay. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 16 is 44. Yeah, 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box should be a 1. In the box of 6, the combination will be 1 plus 5. Okay, is equal to 6. Let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 6 plus 3. Now, here we have one sharing box. Here we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number those two boxes together. Then I will know what number this will be. Okay. Double 15 is 30. 6 plus 3 is a 9. So 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. These two boxes together should be 6. That means in this triple box of 10, that box should be a 4 then. Okay, same for here. 5 plus 13 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 10 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. These two boxes together should be a 9. In this triple box of 12, that box should be a 3 then. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Okay, double check. 3 plus 4 is 7. Double 7 is 14. 14 plus 22 is 36. 36 plus 9 is 45. Yes, correct. Let me continue. My next strategy is to look for columns or rows with one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So triple 10 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 15 combination will be 9 plus 6. Okay, let me go to the last column. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus double 15 will be 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So 45 minus 30 is a 5. 45 minus 30, yeah. In the triple box of, in the box of 12, the combination here will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Hey, the last row we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 11 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 31 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In a box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, now this row, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box will be a 1. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course, otherwise the combination will be 9 minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 9 should be here. In the box of 15, combination will be 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Okay, here in the last column we have 2 boxes left, the box of 15 and the box of 6. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15, 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 and the 6 is already used in the last column, so I cannot place the 9 and 6 here. Should be 8 and 7, 8 and 7. 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay. Then, let me think. Yeah. Come on. Well, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Only one combination. For example, the box of 16. Only one combination. The combination is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 7, 11, 12, 11, 9, 6, 15. 7, 2, 8, 13, 10, 9, 10, 8, 12, 8, 12, 9, 9, 11. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. 2 combinations. For example, the box of 15, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15, 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 8 and the 7, look, is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and 7 here. Should be the 9 and 6, the other combination, 9 plus 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, no, only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. Here come the 6, we have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. And I cannot place the 6 there, because those two boxes together should be a 9. So if I place the 6 here, then I need another 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so double 3 in this triple box of 12. I cannot place the 6 there, so the only place left of the 6 should be here. In a box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1. Okay, one of the missing number in the last row is number 9. Well, we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 should be in a box of 11 in the last row. Combination 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So now we have 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3, and the 8 is missing. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2, and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. Second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then, let me see. Well, we have 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 6 there. Same situation as before. Here, if I place the 6 here, then I need another 3 here. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So I cannot place the 6 there. 6 should be in a box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Alright. Then, one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 10 because we already are 1 here in the first column, so no 1 in these two boxes. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed, so it should be here in the box of 9. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this box. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. So 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. So it should be in the box of 10. Combination 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. In the box of 6, combination will be 4 plus 2. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5 is missing here in this big square. Then 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 and then 2 and a 9 is missing here. Well, 2 numbers left in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there in the box of 9. Combination will be 2 plus 7. Then 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me think. Come on. 2 numbers left in this row, middle row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I cannot place the 1 there, otherwise 1 plus 9 is 10. And then I need a number. 10 plus 12. 12 is not allowed, so I cannot place the 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. In the box of 7, combination will be 1 plus 6. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. In the box of 11, combination with 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes in there. And then 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 4 it should be there. 1 box left now in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. These two boxes together should be a 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 12, combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. Oh, we already have 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This should be a 9. Wow, almost made a mistake. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Correct. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 2 and an 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Okay. Come on. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. In the box of 12, combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Let me think. 3 and a 5. Need a 7 here. Well, one of the missing number in the first row is number 7. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 8, otherwise the combination will be 7 plus 1. The 1 is already used in the first row. So the 7 should be in the box of 9 in the first row. Combination 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left with 5 in the box of 9. Combination will be 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and an 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. These 2 boxes together should be a 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 5 is equal to 10. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And the final number, no, not final number, 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Correct. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. Faster than the 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.